So I had some people asking me, what's in BuildLab? What do you all get? And how does it work? So I thought I'd just do a quick demo through BuildLab. So BuildLab teaches you how to start, grow, and monetize an internet business. And it teaches you how to create and sell digital products or paid subscription programs. And it just gives you everything. So in the classroom, we go over the business model. Okay, so this is BuildLab. There's three modules in each one of these. So this is the bulletproof business model. This is your perfect customer. How do you figure out your message? How do you find your niche? Then the perfect product roadmap. How do you build it? How do you create it? The whole 9 yards, and it shows all the tools, all the templates, everything. The endless lead generator. How do you create your lead magnet? How do you create your email only bonus? How do you create your emails that follow up with people to sell your program? Then it shows you the sales video, the one-page outline. How do you create your visuals? Everything. I walk you through it. So if you're not good with tech, it shows you all that. How to record and publish your course. And then your website, your funnel, your email automations, and email marketing in general. And then your content flywheel. So here I show you how to collect ideas to create marketing content, create content frameworks, supporting everything, pre-post, newsletters, create everything that you need to create and sell your program. And then, and there's two parts to that. And then how do you diversify your income? How do you do affiliate marketing? What are the tools and systems that you can use to get things done quicker? How do you use AI? How do you use ChatGPT to create courses literally in, it's crazy, like in minutes. And then how do you do outsourcing so you can have other people do this stuff for you? And then we have this calendar. So every Monday and every Thursday at 6 p.m. on Monday Central Time, and on Thursdays at 10 a.m. Central Time, I get on for a couple hours, and it's just a live session where you can ask me anything. You can share your screen with me, and I record all these and put them in the community. So, and those are all free as long as you're a member, and then you can just register for them right here. But I record all of them, and then I put them in here so that you have access to them for future reference, anything that we covered in there. And then you have these people inside of BuildLab here that you can reach out to and talk to, you can connect with. People are sharing their wins, they're sharing what they're doing, they're sharing, all the different things that they're figuring out as you go. And it's just really awesome. And we have a lot of people, they're selling their programs, they're getting everything launched, they're creating all the stuff that they've always wanted to do so that they can sell digital products, have that location freedom, have that autonomy. But the real power in here is just connecting with other people and being able to get on live with myself and others and do, back and forth and work through the little things that actually happen and learn so much about what's going on. So that's what it is. You can simply join. All you have to do is just go to makeonce.com, click on BuildLab here, and you can check out BuildLab right away. Okay, so I have a free community here for you. I've got a free newsletter you can check out, and then I have the BuildLab program. So you can come here. Here's a video about how BuildLab works. And then you can get started. And right now you can get lifetime access for $5.97, or you can do $97 per month. So you get everything, and literally it's like the cost of a cup of coffee each day to be a part of this program. And if you go with the lifetime membership, then it's literally for 1 year, it would only cost you $1.63 per day. So it's crazy. So anyway, come check it out. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, here's a frequently asked questions. And I'm here to help you. Okay. So I hope this helped, and I look forward to working with you inside of BuildLab.